Okay, it is Luxury Fred, and I am on a very cool getaway to Santa Barbara, exploring a couple of the Kimpton hotel properties here in Santa Barbara. Before I get started on the review, let me please say this right away. Hey, do you like luxury travel? Do you like luxury cars? Do you like fine dining? Do you like interesting guys like me? Then hey, subscribe to my channel. Just click the little subscribe button. Just click the button right there. And if you want, click the alarm bell too. And that way, if you subscribe and you click the alarm bell, YouTube will alert you each time I upload a new video. Try to do maybe 2 or 3 videos a week, by the way. So please, again, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And the first night, I am staying here at the Canary, Santa Barbara, a Kimpton hotel. And in case you didn't know, Kimpton is a very cool luxury boutique hotel brand that is now owned by IHG, Intercontinental. I'm here again at the Canary, Santa Barbara, a Kimpton hotel. And I'm going to give you a tour of my room, which is room 324, which is one of their executive king rooms. Now it's nighttime, so I'm going to show you the daytime stuff tomorrow. Okay, and just like magic, now it's daytime, and so I can show you what the view is. So we're on Carrillo Street, which is one of the main streets here in Santa Barbara. If you follow that all the way down, then it goes to the ocean, is that direction. And you can see that we can walk around, and the hotel really puts you right in the heart of downtown Santa Barbara, which is the cool thing about staying here. Okay, and we have this nice view, these nice windows that open up to give us an ocean breeze, although there's some strange beeping from this parking garage next door, so I wasn't able to keep the window open all night because of the beeping. But the windows are soundproof, so I wasn't able to hear the beeping when the windows are closed. Just FYI. Okay, and here's a look at room service breakfast, which came very quickly. The menu is not extensive, but it has a lot of good basic stuff. I've got a fresh sliced fruit bowl here. Got some applewood smoked bacon, and then we have a bagel and cream cheese with some cream cheese and some butter and some jelly as well, and then some orange juice, which is nice and cold. So rather basic presentation, but everything tastes really good. And again, it was delivered promptly, so you can enjoy our room service breakfast. I wanted to give you a quick tour and show you the inside of the room and show you the very nicely made bed before I sleep in it. So the room is not big. The room is small. You know, look at this. You got the bed and you got this big dresser here, and that's kind of it for the space. But it's very nice. I do like the 4-poster bed. They've been telling me that these mattresses are super comfortable, so I'm excited to sleep on there. And then we have a very nice fit and finish with everything. Very nice design, kind of a old school, luxurious Santa Barbara style, you might say. And we have a view, which again, it's better for me to show you that during the day. Have this nice chair in the corner where you can sit and read. Kind of a cool Moroccan-inspired table. Lots of interesting lifestyle magazines to read. The hotel was kind enough to send up a Monte Carlo for me to drink, which is what's in there. You have your TV here. You have your mini bar and stuff like that are down here with, you know, some other selections. It's funny, when I first got here, I was like, wow, cool. They have custom-made water bottles just for me, but I guess this is a brand of water called Fred. So again, you got your mini bar and stuff like that in there. You know, like the little artistic touches, like the little art books. A little space here for your luggage and things like that. And then we have this little foyer area Hello. The mirror there. And then you have a closet here with a decent amount of space. All Kimpton hotels come with a bathrobe. They don't come with slippers, but you can call down and they will send up slippers. And Kimpton hotel rooms also come with a yoga mat, and they do a morning yoga class here every day. This is a newly constructed hotel. You know, brand new construction. I love staying in hotels that are newly constructed. We have this great big high 4-poster bed, as I was saying before. You have your kind of work desk, work area over here. Extremely comfortable chair to sit in. Again, not that much space, but everything is compact and very nice. Lots of outlets up there to use. And then we have a compact bathroom, but very importantly, we have a bathtub. If you've watched my videos or read my reviews and articles, you know that I am a big proponent of bathtubs, especially in luxury hotel rooms. If you're paying a lot of money for a hotel room, you might as well have a bathtub where you can go in there and relax a little bit. So we have this very nice bathtub and shower. You got a little TV in there. You got this cool blue wallpaper. And again, very nice, compact, yet stylish bathroom. I like the star light fixtures up there. Okay. So let me now show you outside. Check it out. Beautiful rooftop pool and deck and jacuzzi. Look at that. Very nice rooftop pool here with these great views of the hills surrounding Santa Barbara. And you can even, if you look on the horizon, you can see the ocean. See the oil derricks out there on the horizon there? So that concludes the tour. Again, it's room 324. This is a deluxe king room here at the Canary, Santa Barbara, a Kimpton hotel. Thank you very much for watching. You can read more about my adventure here to Santa Barbara at luxuryfred.com. And of course, please follow me on social media at luxuryfred, at eatwithfred, that's my foodie social media, and at drivewithfred, that's my automotive social media where I post all my car reviews and car pictures and things like that. So again, Luxury Fred here at the Canary, Santa Barbara, a Kimpton hotel. Thank you very much for watching.